Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. Are you ready to do a fun activity along with us? By the end of this video, we guarantee you that you will learn an important theorem. Materials required for this activity: 3 sheets, 14 cm by 12 cm, scale, protractor, 3 straws 7 cm long, tape, 3 sticks from broom 12 cm, sketch pen, scissors. If you have all the materials ready, let's begin. Take 3 papers and fold it into half. Make sure to cut a triangle from the center of the sheet as shown. Cut or tear all the sheets together. If you find it difficult, tear one at a time but do not move the scale. Name the edges of a triangle as shown. These edges are angles. Make sure you name them A, B and C, front and back. Watch the video carefully to arrange the triangle as shown. Now, let us place a stick in between each pair of triangles. Let's tape them. Your models will look like this with these labelings. Take a straw and cut one of its ends and place the stick inside the straw like this. Try sliding the stick up and down inside the straw very gently. The model will look like a butterfly flapping its wings. Now, let's observe 3 models we made and find out which triangles are overlapping. It's definitely the middle one. This means that the line segments and the angles of these 2 triangles are congruent. This proves a theorem, SSS criteria of congruence, which states that if 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 sides of another triangle, then the 2 triangles are congruent. From this activity, we have concluded that if the line segment and the angles are congruent, then the 2 triangles are congruent. We hope you have understood SSS criteria of congruence. Thank you for watching. This is Tan90 signing off.